Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video and the first video of this summer season. Now we all know that the summer is already here, and in this bad heat it will sound more prominent if I use a Bengali term, that is, in this pocha garom we really need to pamper ourselves. So in this particular video I will be discussing about all the bath and body essentials that you will need, or we all will need, to just smell good, to pamper ourselves, to pamper our body. So if you want to know all the essentials, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have is the shower gel. Of course, I love shower gel. I don't like soap that much. In fact, I don't use soap. But yes, I love shower gel, body wash and whatnot, whatever the names are, all these are same only. So I have for you endless options for shower gel. So the one that I'm using currently is from the brand called St. Devens in the variant Himalayan Pink Salt with White Water Lily. This is a body wash and I got this one from Nykaa. The price is 399. It is 500 ml bottle. I just love this product so much. It has a very mild sort of smell, like you will feel like cucumber, aloe vera, this kind of smell. Is very refreshing. I don't know about the other variant, but yes, this one has a very nice mild fragrance. I just love this. इसके पहले I use Fiyama, this particular variant of Fiyama body wash. It has also a sort of berries and very refreshing kind of. Of course, it has again a mild smell. I love this smell also, but I didn't got this one from my Nykaa. I got this one from a local store near to my house. And इसके पहले I use Nykaa का Wanderlust French Lavender variant. To be honest, the shower gel was good. It was mild. Everything is like okay, but the smell, it has also very mild smell, but I didn't like the smell that much. I don't know why I was not liking the smell that much. Maybe the other variant of this particular range is good. I haven't tried, but if you tried, then you can leave your suggestion in the comment box, and if you love the smell, then you may go ahead because the product is good. I'm talking about the smell only, that I didn't like the smell. Okay, इसके पहले I use St. Ives का one shower gel. I will post a picture here so that you will be able to know. That smell also very mild, gentle, and it is sort of scrub. तो वो ना स्किन को बहुत सॉफ्ट बनाता था. I love that product also. Then I used Biotique का product. I will post a picture on that product also. That was also very nice, mild, and the smell was very refreshing. So all the shower gels that I'm talking about, the smells were nice, it's refreshing, it is very mild, so you can use any of the product that you want to buy or you want to use. Now the next product that I have is a deodorant. Now we all need a deodorant throughout the year, and it's mandatory in summer also. We need to feel fresh, we need to be odorless, we always need a good smell moving around our body. So the one that I'm using right now is a deodorant from Nivea. This is the deodorant Protect and Cure No Irritation. The smell is very nice and I just love the smell. It doesn't feel like you are using a deo. It feels like the normal body odor that we all have. But of course, the better version of our normal body smell is this particular product. And I always use a deo whenever I am at home or I am going out. Each and every single time I use a body spray because I love to smell fresh. Now the next deodorant that I have is a Nykaa Wanderlust. This is in the variant French Lavender, but however I like this smell. I didn't like the shower gel one, but this one is amazing. It has a nice mild floral sort of smell, and you will just fall in love with this smell. I just love using this deodorant. So I use this two deo. You can use any of these, or if you have your personal choice, of course you can go for it. Now the next product that I have is a moisturizer. I have seen so many women using moisturizer only in winter. You need to moisturize your body throughout the year. It has no such particular season like in winter you are taking care, you are doing so much pampering, but in summer your body needs nothing. You always need something to hydrate your skin, to hydrate your body. So the one that I'm using right now is MC Campaign Body Butter. It's very soft and it hydrates my skin, moisturizes my skin, and of course I love the smell of cocoa. If you are someone who loves the chocolate flavor or the cocoa flavor, the coffee flavor, then you can go for it. It's very nice, it's very mild, and I just love it. So yeah, that was it for this video. All these things you will need to pamper your skin in this summer, so go for it. Buy if you want to buy, or if you already have, then you can of course use it. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also share your love, suggestions, each and everything in the comment box below. Share this video as much as you can so that your friends, family, everyone can get the most advantage of this video. Join the B Square today only by subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever I put a new video. Follow me in my Instagram account. I will put the handle somewhere on the screen or maybe in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Watch all my previous videos. The links are given in the bottom bar, and yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.